Good morning students. How are you two all? Are you fine? Okay. Welcome to my video. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of our social science book, and the name of the second chapter, Parallels and Meridians. Okay. Now today we will discuss about fact-wise in our chapter number 2. The word latitude, which originates from the Latin word latus, which means wide. That means latitude word originate हुआ है Latin word latus से, which means wide. Wide means व्यापक. The word meridian originates from the Latin word meridis, which means midday. That means meridian word originate हुआ है Latin word meridis से, and its meaning is midday. It is from the word meridian that we get वर्ड सच एज एंटी मेरिडियन. हमें मेरिडियन से एक वर्ड मिला है एंटी मेरिडियन, एंड इट्स शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज एएन, एंड मीनिंग इज बिफोर नून. इसकी मीनिंग है बिफोर नून. बिफोर नून मतलब नून के पहले वाला शब्द. दैट मीन्स 8 बज गया तो हम बोलेंगे 8 AM. 9 o'clock हो रहा तो 9 AM. एंड सेकेंड वर्ड इज पोस्ट मेरिडियन. इट्स शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज PM, एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज आफ्टरनून. आफ्टरनून मीन्स दोपहर के बाद का समय. दैट मीन्स 2 o'clock हो रही है तो 2 PM. 4 o'clock हो रही है तो 4 PM. Now let us talk about important features of parallel. Important features of parallel means all parallels are complete circle except for the north pole and the south pole. These are the point. That means all parallel are complete circle. जितनी भी parallel होती है ग्लोब पर वो सब complete circle होती है except north pole and the south pole. Why it is so? Because north pole and south pole are points. The length of the parallel decrease as we move away from the equator and towards the poles. That means the length of the parallel decreases. Length decrease होती है parallel की इक्वेटर से जब हम पोल्स की तरफ, that means नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ चले जाएंगे तो लेंथ डिक्रीज हो जाएगी, साउथ पोल की तरफ जाएंगे तो लेंथ डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. Now the third important feature of parallel, all parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. That means सारी parallel equal distance पे locate होती हैं. Now the last important feature is parallel neither touch nor cross one another. That means parallel ना तो touch होती हैं और ना ही एक दूसरे को cross करती हैं. Is that clear to you? I think so. Now let us talk about how are parallel numbered. अब हम parallel पे नंबर कैसे डालें. We start from the equator and mark it as 0 degree latitude. हमने इक्वेटर से स्टार्ट कर दिया और लिख दिया 0 degree latitude. We mark the other parallel from 0 to 90 degree. और हमें parallel बाकी भी पे की भी parallel मार्क करनी है 0 से 90 degree. Apart from the value, the parallels are also marked N for north, S for south, according to their direction. I will explain with the help of diagram data. It is our earth. Okay. We start from the equator and mark it as 0 degree. Equator से start हो गया, हमने start कर दिया 0 degree latitude. We mark the other parallel from 0 to 90 degree. हमें इसी में 0 से 90 degree की parallel भी locate करनी है. Apart from the value, the parallel are also marked N for north and S for south. Okay, according to their location, the north pole is 90 degree N and the south pole is written as 90 degree S. ठीक है, हमने 90 degree north and 90 degree south लिख लिया. Now parallels are drawn at intervals of 1 degree. तो सारी parallel 1 degree के interval में बनेंगी. तो 90 से हम एक कम कर देंगे तो 89, then after 88, then 87, 86, 84 like that. ऐसे ये कहाँ पे करेंगे हम. और 90, there are 90 parallelities in northern hemisphere में हमें बनानी है. Then 90 parallel are in southern hemisphere और वो भी 1 degree है, 1 degree interval में बनेगी. That means 90 के बाद 89, 88, 87, 86 like that. Therefore there are 181 parallels in all, that including the equator. That means 90 parallel it is in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallel it is in the southern hemisphere, and including one equator. That means 90 plus 90, 180, including one equator, that means 181 parallel. That means total parallel 181. There are 181 parallels are there. I think, is that clear to you? Now, important parallels. Let us talk about that beta. Other than equator 0 degree, the north pole 90 degree and the south pole 90 degree. That means beta हमने equator 0 degree पढ़ चुके हैं, north pole 90 degree S, north pole 90 degree N and south pole 90 degree S. ये हम पढ़ चुके. इसके अलावा there are 4 important parallels are there. इसके अलावा 4 important parallel भी हैं. Which are they? The Tropic of Cancer, its measurement is 23.5 degree in the north. Then Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree it is in the south. Then Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree it is in the north. The Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree it is in the south. That means these are 4 important parallels. Then the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle are also called polar circle. That means जो Arctic Circle है और Antarctic Circle, these are also called polar circle. इन्हें polar circle भी कहते हैं. Now, that's all today students. It is enough to you. Meet you in the next video.